Tell us what the library means to you and your experiences with Toronto Public Library.
The library system, the public library system in Canada, has been something that has been an incredible resource to me, going back over 25 years. As a young person who got into a lot of trouble and made some really bad choices as a youth growing up, and getting involved with gangs and the gang behaviors associated with that. When I was left that lifestyle at the age of 15, I was able to find a place of learning and literacy and second chances at the local public library for the next couple of years until I finished high school. So that was in Burnaby, British Columbia. It was the public library system that gave me that place where I could find a place of learning, find that place of literacy, find that place of support that I couldn't find anywhere else, not even in the community center or in school. So, I thought that would be the one intervention, if you will, that the library would provide. I never thought of it that way. But then yet, from the time I was 19 to the time I was 25, I did find, life does have its hard knocks. You don't just, get out of some issues once and then not go back to them. And so, again, at the age of 25, 26, again, the Malvern Public Library became that place for me. And I was just talking to some people, realizing that the librarian, Russell Hanley, who was that librarian who took the time to take this adult learner who found himself at the age of 25, changing his life focus or trying to find where he should go, and helped me Mr. Hanley helped me as I was registered into University of Toronto, and he basically helped me to do my outlines and how I was going to do my essays for those first couple of years, which allowed me to score scholarship marks and move on to subsequent university programs in social work and policy and epidemiology. And it all started in the Malvern Public Library in the mid 90s, from 95 through 1998. And so again, it just shows that the power of the library, the staff, the supportive nature of the staff who work in the Toronto Public Library, is something that I think needs to have its presence truly made manifest in our city, because the Toronto Public Library is probably one of the most important resources that we have in